This
available
conference will now be recorded.
Python available for IoT, Python available for cloud system, AWS, Azure, DevOps. Anywhere you go, Python is there. In future, if you want to migrate with the modern technologies like advanced technologies, easy to integrate with Python. So first understand Python programming concepts. Python is very easy. The topics are very easy. And by end of tomorrow, I'm going to be giving you the curriculum of our full stack course. You have curriculum? No, na? So tomorrow I'll give you the curriculum of our full stack course, Python, Django, and Flask, and React JS, all these things. So coming to the Anaconda Navigator, I'm trying to opening with Anaconda Navigator now. Anaconda Navigator. This is Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator is environment. Inside this environment, there are multiple kind of IDEs are there. One web IDE called Jupyter and one Spider. So this is Anaconda Navigator. This is Anaconda Navigator, and there you can find out a notebook, a Jupyter notebook here. Launch Jupyter notebook. So when Jupyter notebook is launching, automatically I can able to see the web browser based IDE. Jupyter is browser based IDE, and there we are going with Python. So I'm going with the Python programming now. So where is Python? So I don't have any Python here. Python 3, this one. So in Python 3, a lot of chapters available. We will go with the one by one. First of all, go with numbers. There are multiple kind of numbers in Python. Integers, floating point numbers. Numbers are nothing but integers and floatings. So now you find out the output of basic arithmetic operator. Let me go with clear all inputs. Okay, now you tell me basic arithmetic operators first. What is 2 plus 1? Shift enter. So Python is Jupyter notebook is going to be row based system. It's nothing but roller book. It's nothing but rule book, you know, right? One book is going to be having number of rules. So what is 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1 is 3. What is 2 minus 1? 1. What is 2 into 2? What is 3 by 2? 1.5. What is floor division? Floor division is a new operator in the Python. Sorry, yeah, new arithmetic operator. In JavaScript, this floor division is not there. But in Python, there is floor division. Floor division nothing but only floor value will. 1.5, 0.5 is not getting, only 1 will get. And coming to the modular division, 7 percentile 4. Modular division is going to be giving you reminder. 4 goes in 7 one time, 4 ones are 4, 3 is the remainder, right? And arithmetic continue, 2 double star 3, power, 2 to the power of 3, 8, 4 to the power of 0.5, square root of 4, and order of operations, 2 plus 10 into 10 plus 3. So now you tell me, you know BODMAS rule, right? Everybody know BODMAS rule? 9th class, 10th class, BODMAS rule. Brackets first, opponent second, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay. So in that particular concept, this is interview questions. Interview written test. If you people having some written test, this type of questions will come. Shift enter and brackets first, right? 12 into 13, 156. Next, in Python, variable assignment is very crazy. There is no data type required. There is no int, there is no float, there is no char, there is no string. Directly you can assign the value for the a is equal to 5. That's it. Then a plus b, 5 plus 5, 10. Reassignment, a is equal to 10 now. Now what is the a now? 10. Now what is the a now? 10. A is equal to A plus A, 10 plus 10. What is A now? 20. And whenever you are going to be creating a variable, some rules and regulations we need to follow. What are the rules? Names cannot start with the number. Variable name cannot start with the number. And there are no spaces instead of underscore. Only underscore allowed. All other types not allowed. Special characters not allowed. So we already know JavaScript variables, right? Concept is same. Every programming language variable is variable. Every programming language variable rules are variable rules. Next, one more thing, can't use the symbols. All these symbols cannot be used. And one more is avoid the lowercase letter, some uppercase letter O. Okay, uppercase I. So that is okay. And one simple example we will do. Some income, tax rate, and finally, what is the taxes? My taxes I am going to be calculating. My taxes is equal to my income into tax rates. So tax rate is 0.1, and finally my taxes. How much taxes are going to be? 10. In 100, income is 100, and taxes are 0.1, and finally output is something. So my income is something like this, and taxes are 0.2, and finally you are going to be find out the income, find out the taxes, find out the taxes, and finally if you want to get the full salary, finally you want to get the income. My income is equal to. Finally, my income is equal to. Tell me. My income minus taxes. My income minus taxes. My final income. Can I say my final income? My final income is equal to this one, and let me print the my final income now. My final income will be 80,000. 1 lakh lunchi 20,000 both 80,000. So this is the first book, first notebook. I will share this. What you people do? You just render this. You load this in Anaconda Navigator Jupyter Notebook. Then try to work out all these things. If you want, I will do copy paste all these things, and I will give you the notepad. All this programming skills I will put into the notepad, and I will share with you. That is the first one. And second one I will go with now. Numbers done. And second one, variable assignments. Very simple, guys. Just try to understand. My dogs are 2. My dogs array. My dogs is now, this is array. This is not array actually. This is called list. In Python, this is called a list. But in Python, comments should be like this. Hash. Single line comment. Single line comment will be hash. But in JavaScript, single line comment is double backslash. But in Python, single line comment is hash. Okay. And this is dynamic typing. A is equal to 5, and A value. A is equal to 10. A value. A plus A 20. A is equal to A plus 10. A is 20. Now plus equal to 10. 30. Star equal to 2. Star equal to 2. 60. Now you will be having different kind of data types in Python. One is int, one is float, one is str. Str nothing but string. Single code, double code, triple code. Python having one more code extra. In JavaScript we have only single code, double code. But in the Python you will be having single code, double code, triple code. And you will get understand in Python there is one more type of assignment, something like a comma b comma c is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. This is a way of assigning variables, multi assignment. Comma. This is called multi assignment. Now what is the a value, guys? You may guess. What is the b value now or c value now? So 10 got stored in A, 20 got stored in B, 30 got stored in C. That's it. Multi assignment. Multi assignment. Let me do one thing. So A comma B is equal to 100 comma 200. Now you tell me a comma b comma c is equal to 100 comma 200. What happened? What happened? Left side you have 3 variables. Right side you are providing only 2 values. This is not taking. Python interpreter not taking. Interview question. Sometime this type of questions will come in the paper. See, people are writing the examinations. Exams will take fresher exams. In the fresher exams, sometime people will ask this type of questions. Solve this. What is the output of the C? What is the output of the program? There is no output. There is error. Our output is none. Our output is null. See, some multiple choices. So by understanding this, you can be able to resolve. Okay, so multi assignment is very, very important. That is there. And type of A. What is type of A? What is type of A? Int. So A is equal to 1 comma 2. This is one type of data type, that is called tuple. Tuple. So this is what actually array. This is what actually array. 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. This is array. Array no. This is list. There is no concept of array in Python. Array in JavaScript. In Python it is called list. In Python, one new data type called tuple. Array is mutable, tuple is immutable. Array is what? Oh, sorry, list is mutable. Mutable means what? Changeable. You can able to inject value, you can able to delete value, you can able to reassign value. Some CRUD operations will perform. CRUD, create operation perform, read operation perform, anyway. Update operation, delete operation. UD operations, update operation, delete operations will be performed on list. UD operations can't perform on tuple. Whenever you want to create a list which is not going to be mute, which is not going to be changed, then you have to take the tuple. Tuple with parenthesis, list will square process. Am I clear? Okay, that's good. And the type of A is a tuple. What is the type of A? I told you, tuple. And simple exercise. My income is something. I already done this, right? My income is something, and the tax rate is something, and my taxes, income into tax, we already done this, and my taxes is simple exercise. That's it. So that is variable assignment. And one more is strings. Very, very important. How to create a string, how to print the string, how to index in the string, how to slice the string. There are multiple kind of properties which are going to be available in Python. In other programming languages, methods needed, but in Python there is no method. If you try to understand this, Python is very simple. So create a simple string, single quoted string. Hello. What is the output of hello? Hello. Okay. Can I create a string with variable name is equal to Srinivas? Can I create like this? What is the name? What is the name? Yep. Okay. So can I create the name with double quotes? Sorry. What happened? Srinivas. Can I create a name with the triple quotes? Can I create a name with the triple quotes? Possible, huh? Possible in Python. Single quoted string, double quoted string, triple quoted string. Possible in Python. So entire price. So this is also a string. That's it. And we can also use double quotes, and we can go with the Suppose, for example, I want to create a string with something like the name is equal to I am going to be creating something like a Srinivas's iPhone. I want to create like this. Can I create a string like this? Can I create a string like this? Understand one point. This string is single quoted string, entry point single quote, exit point single quote. And again you are trying to using the single quote inside. This is giving error. This is giving error. So let me try to work out. What happened? Syntax error. You started with single code, ended with a single code, but inside again you are trying to using the quotes. That is giving problem. Then how to solve this? There are multiple options to solve. So first option to solve is very simple. How to solve this? Name is equal to, I can go like this, Srinivasa's icon. Can I do like this? Can I do like this? Possible, kada? This is the one way you can able to do. And there is another way. What is another way? You go with the triple quotes. Go with the triple quotes. You put all this into here. This is possible, kada? Code extra also, one code extra. And there is another way, guys. There is another way. Srinivasa's iPhone, I can able to use this one. Something like this. I'm using single quotes only. Outside single quote, entry point single quote, exit point single quote, and even middle also single quote. But I'm giving a slash. When I'm giving slash, it is acceptable. When I'm giving slash, it is acceptable. Just try to understand. And yeah, that is the same thing, same concept. Now I'm ready to let's code the string and all. Now printing the string, very simple. Print in JavaScript console.log. JavaScript console.log to print outputs. But in Python, print, just print, print, small letters. Print hello world, and print backslash and use a backslash and to new line. Whenever you want to go with the new line, you can take a backslash and print. Can I get a new line like this? Okay, I'll be having multiple new lines again, and I'm writing print. So Python Django. Python Django. Okay. What is output now? Can I see 3 lines of space here, and here 1 line space? Why? Because of this backslash. Okay, so string basics. Length of the string in JavaScript. What is the method to find out the length? Dot length. Array dot length. Array dot length. But in Python, len, length. Len of your variable. Len of your array. Length of. Okay. Let me take one more. Let me take array. Let me take fruits. Fruits is equal to, I want to take apple, banana, orange. Okay, now tell me len of fruits. First of all, type of fruits. What is type of fruits? List, huh? Okay. Let me go with len of fruits. What is len of fruits? 3. Length starts with 1. Index starts with 0. Okay. Now I want to get first value of the fruits. Fruits of, yeah, please. Fruits of 0. What is the fruits of 0? Apple. Is it clear? Okay. Now indexing. Length starts with 1. Length means count. Length starts with 1. This is interrogation again. Index starts with 0. Length starts with 1. Or length means count. How many people are there in the classroom? How many people are there in the classroom means start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many values are there in the array? That is called len. Len is length. Okay. Fruits of 0, apple. Fine. And indexing now. Indexing is very simple. S is something like hello world. And check S. What is S now? Hello world. Print S. Hello world. Next, S of 0. What is S of 0? H. S of 1. S of 2. And there is one new feature available in Python to indexing. I want to access after the first index. I want to access after the first index. First index means one after one colon. One colon means one index starts with. One index starts with. This is actually called starts with. So grab everything up to third index. This is the second one. So this is what actually grab everything past first term of the way, the length of the. So which is called one east. East nothing but east enter. Double colon is called east. What is this east? One east means one index after. Zero index miss. If I say 5 index or 4 index east, what is 4 index east? HELL missing. 0 missing, 1 missing, 2 missing, 3 also missing, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is what actually east. And then reverse colon 3. Okay, let me give a very simple thing. Let me take Srinivas. Name is equal to Srinivas. Name is equal to Srinivas. Now, what is the name? What is the name? Shift enter. Okay. Now, name of colon. What is colon? East. East is nothing but one simple colon. Put every value will get. Every value will get. Okay. I want to grab only 1 2 3 index. Name 1 is to 3. It means what? 1 index to 3 index. 1 index to 3 index, but 3 will not mix. So 0 is what? Just try to get understand. Okay. So what is 0 here? Now tell me. So this is the Srinivas, right? S R E E N I V A S. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. So my request is 1 2 3. 1 2 3. What is the output now? RE. 1 starts and with. I tell 1 2 3, right? 1 2 3 nothing but this is going to be n colon n minus 1. N colon n minus 1. Starting index colon ending index minus 1. Python is going to be recognizing whenever you are providing two values in the east. First value is the starting index. Second value is ending index minus 1. Ending index minus 1 means what? 3 minus 1. What is the 3 minus 1? 2. So start with 1 and 2 is going to be taking. So 1 is to 3 means is going to be printing. 1 means R. 3 is not coming, right? 3 minus 2 what? 2. 1 and 2. Huh? 1 is to 4 you want, okay? 1 is to 4. What is the output of 1 is to 4? REE. REE. Okay. So then S colon means every value. Every value will come. Okay. S minus 1. What is the minus 1? What, that is the name, right? Can I go with the name minus 1? What is the name minus 1? Name of minus 1. Minus 1 is nothing but last index. Srinivas. Yes. Yes is the last value. Okay. So let me give the name now. Name is equal to Srinivasa Rao. Now you can understand. Now what is the name? Sorry. What is the name? Srinivasa Rao. Now I want to get the name of minus 1. What is the minus 1 now? What is the output of minus 1? Yes. Yes, 0. 0 is minus 1 last. Okay, for example. Okay, this is hello guys. HELL. It's a forward index, reverse index. Forward index starts with a 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse index -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Yes or no? Index system. But this system is not possible in other programming languages. Reverse index. Reverse index is not possible in other programming languages. You have to make a different kind of program for that. But in Python, it is very simple. In Python, it is very simple to understand the reverse index. Just try to understand. So a lot of concepts you can able to understand in Python. And -1. Okay, -1 colon -1. What is colon -1? -1 before. What is missing? D missing. -1 colon nothing but just go. Just go. After -1, just go back. Go back means come back. After -1, every value is going to be coming with a. Okay, let me take a name of -1. Name of east -1. Srinivasa Ra. Okay, let me go with the name of east -4 or -4. -4 before. -4 before. Is it clear? Okay, so now this is important. Double colon 1. Double colon 1. Step, this is called a step operator. Step operator. 2 east step will take. Step means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Step 1. So step 1 values will print. What is the step 1 of S? Hello world. Now take step 2. Step 2 means what? Index jump. Index jump. It means H 0 index. 1 will miss. 2. 0, 2, 4, 6. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah. So let me go with step 3. Step 3. 3 step. Let me go with the step 4. Let me go with the step 5. Let me go with the step 6. Let me go with the step 7. Let me go with the step 8. Let me go with the step 9. Hello world. Huh? Something like that. Next, we can use to print double colon -1. What is this? Back step, reverse cycle. So step is taking, but it is reverse. Step is taking, but it is reverse. Now you have to go with the. So for example, I want to go with step -2. Step -2, reverse. Is it clear? Okay. So for example, I have the name, right? So name of double step 1. What is the double step 1, guys? Double step -1. So this back, right? Srinivas Rao, reversed. But in normal programming, Java or JavaScript, you have to write a lengthy code for this. For lines code, we need to write to make reverse the string. But in Python, it is very simple, straightforward, simple methods are there. Try to understand all the syntaxes one by one. Write a notes. This syntax for this syntax for this. 200 syntaxes you can write. That is sir, Python. That is. Give me 5 hours, I will complete Python. For Python, basic Python. Next, properties of the string. Yes is something, and S of 0. What is S of 0, guys? Yes is hello world. Next, S of 0 is equal to X. What is happening? I am trying to accessing S of 0. What is S of 0 first of all? What is S of 0? S is hello world. S of 0 is H. H. But I am trying to updating the H value to X. String is immutable. String is immutable, not changeable. like tuple, remember one point, interview question. This is interview question. If I try to give like this is giving answer what? This is giving answer x hello world will come, will not come, output error, so many options will come. So what you have to try? S of 0 update is not possible, only filtering possible, iterating possible, so getting where possible, but you can't able to update it. Read possible, huh? Read possible. How you want to read, you can read. I want to read with the colon, I want to read with reverse, I want to read with the part of the string, piece of the string, you can do that. But reverse is not possible, sorry, update is not possible. One index I want to update, it is not possible. So that is one point. And concatenation is possible. S is hello world, concatenated string, and finally S is going to be S plus S, and finally print S. Concatenated string came. Concatenation is possible. Concatenation, adding is possible. Okay, so we can use multiplication symbol for creating a repetition. Okay, so let Z is equal to something. So let it into 10. Okay, let me give something. Name is equal to Python space. What I want to do, name into 14. What is going to be happen? 14 times Python is printed. 14 times Python is printing. So this is multiplication. Multiplying. The word whatever you are taking, that is multiplying. Can I multiply the array? Can I multiply the array? So we have the fruits, right? Fruits into 3. Added up. First fruits, the second fruits, third fruits. Array also added. Is it possible? Is arrays possible? String possible? Number means arithmetic operator will apply. If it is star will apply as arithmetic operator and multiplying here. String multiplication, array multiplication. Very good operator, very good feature in the Python. Python have lot of good features, new features, easy features. Okay. Built-in string methods. There are bunch of built-in methods. Upper, what is upper? Completely converting into uppercase. Lower, completely converting into lowercase. Split. What is splitting? Splitting is very simple, guys. So cut the value with the space. How many spaces came? 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3 spaces. 3 spaces, 4 strings. 4 words actually. Each and every word will take in the array. Okay, take hello, put here. Take world, put here. Take concatenate, put here. Take me, put here. Then this is going to be array. String splitted with array. Your string splitted with array. So split method, good method. So in other programming languages, we have to do a lot of points for this. But in Python, that is the why reason so many people come into the Python. And split with the W. What is W? Wherever W is there I want to make it split. Wherever W is there, that's a split with the W. So hello world, W is there. W is there. Yes, missing. Print formatting. This is important. Print formatting. This is important. Let me give some print formatting steps. For example, name is equal to Bhargav. Name is equal to Bhargav. And age is equal to 32. 22, 23. Salary is equal to 32, 23,000, for example. I want to print the values. How to print the values, guys? Print of name, print of age, print of salary. That's all enough. Salary. That is okay, fine. But my requirement is simply different. I want to get something like I need to get Bhargav getting 23,000 salary. I want to print like this. How to do print like this? This is my requirement. How to do this? Anybody guess? Print of first name plus getting plus sal plus salary. Checha. Name. What is the name? Bargo. Getting 23,000 salary. See, name having variable, sal also variable, picking variables, adding strings. Variables plus strings, we are going to be making concatenate. When we do concatenate like this, what is the output of this? Oh my god, type error. Type error. You can't able to do this. Why? Because of. Why? Because of. Integer is there, na? Integer is not available in the concatenation. See, salary is integer, right? Integer plus string. So that is JavaScript. This is Python. In Python, integer is going to be not adding with the string. Okay. So then what I want to do? I need to convert this into strf conversion. Integer to string conversion. This is working, huh? Bhargav, name getting I got output. Bhargav getting 23,000 salary. This is the one way. This is the one way. But you have number of variables. You're going to be adding like plus, minus, type conversion, all those things. This is a bloody nonsense. Then what I can do in one more way, that is called okay. So let me try to write print just try to observe curly brace 0 getting 1 placeholders salary dot format one is the name, one is the salary. How much simple? How much simple? This is called placeholder. 0 is one variable, placeholder. 1 is one variable. Any kind of data format you take, integer, float, or array, whatever you want. Placeholder is important here. 0 getting 1 salary. 0 will take, see, whatever the format you are giving, the same format it will take. So I am giving in the format name and sal, right? Name is going with the 0, sal with go, and 0 name is coming here, and salary is coming here. Got my point? You may ask a question, sir. Can I go with the 2 and 3? You may ask a question, right? You may ask a question, sir. Can I go with the 3 and 4? Format starts with 0. Replacement index out of range for positional arguments. Huh? How many positional arguments we have? Only 2. 2 positions, 0 position, 1 position. Name is 0, salary is 1. But you are trying to giving 3 and 4. Where is 3? Where is the 4? Where is the 3 index? Where is the 4 index, guys? Huh? Is it clear? Huh? Yes. This is the one way of working with strings. And printing format. Okay, so this is Python. Python is very, very simple. And let me replace this. What is the real output of this? What is the real output of this? 0 and 1. 0 and this is 0 and this is 1. Can I give 0 and 1 and 0? This is completely reverse, huh? 23,000 getting Bhargav salary. Okay, word format different, huh? Word format different. Let me take one more thing. And 0 getting 0 getting 1 salary. Fine, huh? Okay, Bhargav getting 23 salary. Just placements. The placement you have to understand. Placements we have to understand. So online people understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it simple? Python is simple or not?
Simple,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Simple, sir. Yes, sir. Good. Okay, fine. This is what actually the splitting process and printing process of the strings. Next, I want to go with one more concept. Printing format we already done, sir, but we have a lot of other printing formats also. Let's see one by one. Let's see one by one. Okay. So this is another way of printing format. This is another way of printing formatting. I am going to inject a percentile s here. So what is the percentile s here? Percentile is string. Percentile s is string. Okay. Is percentile something? Okay. Let me do something. I am going to be inject something here. Okay. So I will tell this later. And you can find out this. I am going to inject percentile s text here and percentile s text here. Percentile of parenthesis. In the last process we done with the format dot format method. Then this is also work. Okay, let me do one simple example for this. The same example I will take. Name is equal to Jagadish, and age is equal to something like 42, and the salary is equal to and 45,000.
Thank you, sir.
Jagadish, you are not Jagadish. This Jagadish is different. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Finally, I want to do format. How to do format? We already know the formatter. Print double quotes and tell me 0. Who is the 0?
Okay.
0 getting salary of 1 in the age of wait format in the format. Okay, so name comma sal comma age. Got my points, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Jagadish getting salary of 45,000 in the age of 43. Or let me give 23. Now this is our Jagadish. Our Jagadish getting salary 45,000 in the age of 23. Very, very clear. Huh? And there is a one more format to print the values. There is a one more way of printing the values. Huh? Abba? Chapama?
Tadastu, sir.
There is a one more way of printing. How to do? Normal way, standard way. What is the standard way? Jagadish. Who is Jagadish? Name plus name getting salary of plus sal in the age of so this is complicated, na? in the age of then plus age. Yeah, so this is complicated, na? This is, first of all, this is giving error. Why? Because of salary is number. First of all, we need to convert this into string. This is called str. Type conversion. Okay, fine. Name. Oh, age also need to convert. Age also need to convert. Str of age. Okay. So Jagadish getting salary of 45,000 in the age of 23. That is good. But there is another way of printing format. This is the easiest way. First one is the easiest way, and this one is a little bit complicated way, with hard coding. This is what called hard coding. We don't want to go with the hard coding. We have to go with the smart coding. Smart coding is placeholders, 0 and 1. Any kind of data it will take. There is no identifiers here. Identifier it is access specifiers here. Access specifier nothing but integer you need to access with percentile d, percentile I. Float value we need to access with the percentile f in C language. In JavaScript there is no concept of different kind of accessing like percentile d, percentile s, percentile f, percentile s for the string. But in Java it could be, in C# it could be, in other programming, object-oriented programming it could be, but in Python it is not like that. First of all, in Python there is no concept of data type declaration, dynamic programming. That is the reason we are giving the placeholders and giving the values. That's it. Just like English. Imagine this Python is just like English. If you know English properly well, you can able to learn Python. That is the reason 10th class people learning Python. 10th class people, 8th class people learning Python. You know that. That is one subject in US. 8th standard, 7th standard people are actually learning Python. Kids learning Python. Okay. And there is one more way to print the string. Tell me. So I'm going to be printing the string. Just observe that. And here I want to give the percentile s specifier. S is nothing but specifier. This is not string, specifier. Okay, percentile s getting salary of percentile s in the age of percentile s. Now dot. Okay, so then percentile that is specifier, right? Percentile s is one specifier, percentile s is two specifier, percentile s is three specifier. Three specifiers I already written. For those three specifiers, I need to give the values. What are the values for the three specifiers? First one is Jagadish. Jagadish is nothing but. Second one, salary of sal. Third one is age. That could be work. In the previous one, that is the format method. In the next one, concatenation process. And this one, percentile way. Percentile way nothing but specifier way. One is the format way, one is the specifier way, one is the concatenation way. Three kind of printing formats available in Python. Whenever you have the lengthy values, whenever you have the lengthy string, you need to print. You have to place multiple variables. You have to place multiple variables and you have to go with the format. The format should be three ways. One way is concatenation. Another way is dot format method, placeholders. Third way is specifiers. Easiest way. Try to remember all these things. Try to do practice this. Today itself only you have to do practice all the Python codes. Okay, I will do one thing. I will convert all this web notebooks into the PDFs and I will share. Or I will do copy paste all the code and I will give you whatever you want. Okay, then let me go with same thing, x comma y, some more the same thing, and same thing. So percentile, sorry, this one backslash t, one tab will come, and yes, that is okay. Everything is okay. That is fine. So format method. Anyway, format we already done, right? Format we already done. And one more thing, guys. You can specify for the format. You can specify your own values. Basically, we are using 0, 1, 2. Instead of 0, 1, 2, you can specify your own value for that. So, for example, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 12.3. Three variables, a comma b comma c. A is equal to name, B is equal to age, C is equal to salary. Then you take A as 0, you take B as 1, you take C as 1, sorry, 0, 1, 2. That kind of way also there. And alignment, padding, all these things which are going to be available in Python. So printing format with alignments, that is also there with slashes. 0 to 8, some fruit will come, quantity will come. Then apple will come, 3.0 come, and oranges come, 8.10. So that's very, very simple. What is going to be happening in the first line? Fruit quantity with slash. Second one, apples with the 3 point. 3 point nothing but 3 spaces will take. Oranges 10. 10 means 10 spaces will take. Okay. So later we will see all those things. This is a bit lengthy, but I don't. This is not required for you people. You have to go with the formatting levels. 3 formats you have to understand. That's this is what I'm not giving to you. Lengthy of Python. But anyway, I will share this. You can try to work out. I'll share this anyway. You try to work out. And what is the next concept? Formatting is over. And list items, list dictionaries, tuples, sets, files, all those things we will see in the next class. This is in the first chapter. There are multiple chapters available. Okay, I'll give you the complete Python notes chapter wise. First chapter, data types. Second chapter, operators. Third chapter, functions. Fourth chapter, loops conditions. Fifth chapter, object-oriented features. Class, object, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance. So 12 chapters are there. 12 chapter Python. Okay, so then we will move to the Django. Django classes will be starting after 1 week. But Django classes will be after 1 week. Why I am taking 1 week? I need to complete at least 6 modules Python, 6 chapters Python. Basic Python you need to get understand. That is the very reason I'm not starting Django right now. After 5 to 6 days, 1 week. Next Monday we will start Django after 1 week. Parallelly we go. Okay. So we'll continue tomorrow, guys. Today I tried. We'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow is completely React class. Online people, bye bye for today. Have a great day.
Yes,
Thanks for attending session. I will share all the code. I will share all the notes for Python. Don't worry.